PPE Forged Tie Rod Assemblies Installation Guide. Step 1. Remove the outer tie rod. Step 2. Pop tie rod out of the wheel spindle. Step 3. Unscrew the inner tie rod off the center link. Step 4. Adjust the overall length of the PPE tie rod by loosening the jam nut and turning the inner tie rod assembly. Step 5. Adjust so that the distance from the inner tie rod face to the outer ball joint center axis is the same as the old tie rod being replaced. Step 6. Retighten the jam nut. Step 7. Install tie rod to center link. Tighten to 74 pound-feet. After that, install the outer tie rod to the wheel spindle. Step 8. Install lock nut. Step 9. Hold the stud still while tightening the lock nut with a 20mm wrench. Torque to 48 pound-feet. Installation complete.